Welcome back to Trendz TV, the ultimate destination for high-performance car reviews, cutting-edge automotive insights, and the hottest rides hitting the streets. Today, we're diving deep into a name that once ruled the compact performance segment and is making a roaring comeback in 2025 at the Dodge Neon SRT-4. This turbocharged beast has returned, and Dodge has brought back the street racing attitude with modern technology, aggressive styling, and pure muscle. But does it live up to its legendary status? Buckle up because we're about to take an in-depth look at every detail of the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4. From its aggressive design to its fire-breathing performance. Let's get started. Exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 is a head-turner. The front fascia is an aggressive evolution of Dodge's modern performance DNA. The signature crosshair grille is now more refined, featuring a blacked-out honeycomb pattern that complements the menacing hood vents designed to maximize airflow. The LED headlights are sharp and angular, with dynamic daytime running lights that add an intimidating stare. Sitting lower than the standard Neon, the SRT-4 features an aggressively sculpted bumper with large air intakes, hinting at the turbocharged fury that lies beneath the hood. Moving to the side, the SRT-4 flaunts a low and wide stance, emphasizing its track-ready nature. The aerodynamic profile is accentuated by sharp body lines that flow seamlessly from front to rear. Sitting on lightweight 19-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires, the SRT-4 ensures maximum grip on both the streets and the track. The brake calipers, painted in signature SRT red, peek through the wheels, signaling serious stopping power. Side skirts add to the aggressive styling, reducing aerodynamic drag while enhancing stability at high speeds. The rear of the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 is just as bold as the front. A large rear wing proudly sits atop the trunk, designed not just for show but to provide real downforce. The taillights feature Dodge's signature LED race-inspired design, creating a bold light signature at night. The quad exhaust tips integrated into the rear diffuser let you know this is no ordinary compact carop. It's a turbocharged rocket with an attitude. The aggressive bumper design with built-in aerodynamic elements ensures that the SRT-4 isn't just about speed but also about control and stability. Interior. Step inside, and the 2025 Neon SRT-4 instantly feels like a performance-focused machine. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials with a perfect blend of sportiness and modern tech. The heavily bolstered Alcantara-wrapped sports seats feature red stitching and the SRT logo embossed on the headrests, ensuring that drivers stay planted during high-speed cornering. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather and comes with paddle shifters for quick gear changes. Behind it, the digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, including boost levels, G-force readings, and lap timers. The center console houses a massive 10.1-inch Uconnect infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, alongside a performance page suite that allows drivers to tweak engine response, suspension settings, and even launch control. Carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and an SRT-exclusive shift knob add to the premium yet aggressive feel. A premium Harman Kardon audio system ensures that whether you're enjoying turbo spools or your favorite tracks, the sound is top-notch. With the driver-focused layout and race-inspired touches, the SRT-4's cabin is a reminder that this isn't just a fast carop, it's an experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 a beast. Its performance. Under the hood lies a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 330 horsepower and 340 pounds-feet of torque. This power is sent to the front wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic with launch control. Dodge engineers have worked tirelessly to ensure that the infamous torque steer of high-powered front-wheel drive cars is minimized. An advanced limited-slip differential, coupled with an adaptive suspension system, helps the SRT-4 put its power down effectively. The revised chassis and sport-tuned suspension provide razor-sharp handling, allowing drivers to carve through corners with confidence. 0 to 60 comes in just 4.5 seconds, making this one of the fastest front-wheel drive cars on the market. The turbo spools up quickly, delivering instant boost with an aggressive blow-off valve sound that enthusiasts will love. The braking system features massive Brembo calipers gripping ventilated rotors, ensuring precise and fade-free stopping power. Dodge has also introduced a track mode, which sharpens throttle response, stiffens the suspension, and adjusts the traction control settings for maximum performance on the track. Whether you're launching from a stoplight, tearing through back roads, or setting lap times, the 2025 Neon SRT-4 delivers an exhilarating experience that few compact performance cars can match. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 starts at an attractive $35,995 for the base model with the manual transmission. Opting for the automatic transmission and additional performance packages can push the price north of $40,000. For those looking to max out performance, Dodge offers an optional track pack, which includes upgraded suspension tuning, lightweight wheels, and high-performance tires for an additional $4,500. Compared to rivals like the Honda Civic Type R and the Volkswagen Golf R, the SRT-4 offers an incredible blend of power, raw aggression, and American muscle at a competitive price point. Dodge has ensured that enthusiasts get the most bang for their buck, making the Neon SRT-4 one of the best performance bargains of the year. The 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 is a triumphant return of an icon, combining modern tech with old-school performance charm. With its aggressive styling, track-ready handling, and turbocharged power, it delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience that will satisfy any driving enthusiast. Dodge has once again proven that the SRT badge stands for something special, and the Neon SRT-4 is a worthy addition to the lineup. So, what do you think? Does the 2025 Dodge Neon SRT-4 live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest cars hitting the streets. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.